Hello everyone. Are you looking for work from home, freelance kind of opportunities? If you are a student, a housewife, or a working professional looking for some side hustle, this could be a great opportunity for you. So here in this video, I'm going to discuss about a great opportunity where you will be required to design PowerPoint slides. You have been making PowerPoint slides so many times, but do you know you can earn money designing PowerPoint slides for your clients? In this video, I'm going to discuss about a great opportunity where you can earn money designing PowerPoint slides. So here you can earn around $1,000 to $1,500 per month. This is a freelance opportunity, so you can work anytime, and this is a global platform. So regardless of your geographic location, you can apply to this platform, and here you will just be required to design PowerPoint slides based on the guidelines provided by the client. Here you will be working as a PowerPoint designer. The company's name is No More, and here they have written focus on designing, project managers handle the clients. So here the most interesting part is that you will not be required to handle clients or deal with them or bid for any kind of projects. So here you will be free to work as per your schedule, and you will not be required to contact with clients. The project managers will take care of the clients, so you can focus on earning money only. So based on the project that you deliver, you will be provided a rating from 1 to 10, and also the feedback so that you can improve further in your next project. At Nomo, you will not be required to pitch your clients, and you will be earning a fixed hourly pay. So Nomo differs from other freelance platforms because you do not have to pitch for projects, and no matter the type of project, you always get $8 per hour. So the most important thing here is you will be focusing on designing PowerPoint slides or PowerPoint presentations. You will not be required to do any kind of research or any kind of web designing or other services, and you get to decide which projects you want to work on and how many projects you want to take on per month. So it is totally up to you that how many hours would you like to work or which projects would you like to work upon. So because this is a freelance kind of opportunity, and here is how it works. All that matters is your talent and the product that you deliver. If you wish to start as a freelance PowerPoint designer, you will be required to pass a test. So you first will be required to register on the platform, and then you will be asked to take up 5 minutes IQ quiz to get started. On the platform, you will be getting basic information related to the task that you will be performing, and then based on that, you will be required to pass the test. You can take up the test, and based on the result of the test, the company will determine whether you have the basic skills to work on the platform. The company will offer you the position as a freelancer. Once you pass the test, you will be asked to complete an onboarding process, which will require to verify your PayPal account so that you can receive money every month. Okay, you will also be invited for a video call, for a short video call with a team member. After the onboarding process, you will gain access to the platform. Initially, you will be provided 2 paid test projects, and if you complete them successfully, you will be invited to a final interview. And after passing it, you will be able to work on live client projects. You will be getting all the projects posted on the No More platform. When you see a project you like, apply. Salary is paid once a month via verified PayPal account. So if you think that you could be a good fit for the position of freelance PowerPoint designer, you can go ahead and check out all the details before you apply for the job. This could be a great opportunity for you if you are a person who is good in PowerPoint designing and who has some like creative skills. So you could be a good fit for this position, no matter if you're a student, you are a college going student, a housewife, already a working professional. You can easily apply for this job. So thank you for listening.